This morning in Living Healthy, as a parent, it's crucial that you instill good dental health habits in your children as they grow. But it's never too early to establish proper hygiene techniques. We recently visited with the experts at South Coast and Perfect Smiles to get some advice on this topic.
In making sure your children practice proper dental hygiene, don't be afraid to start the care early. Baby teeth are just as important as permanents.
There's a number of reasons why they are important. First one being, obviously, they're going to aid with proper chewing for the children. A lot of kids can be self-conscious when they don't have their teeth as well, if they're losing teeth earlier than they're supposed to. Another thing is maintaining space for permanent teeth is very important. A lot of times if you lose teeth too early, then you've got to invest in orthodontic appliances to maintain space for the permanent teeth to come in.
Even if permanent teeth have yet to come in, you can still take measures to keep the area clean and healthy through general maintenance and proper nutrition.
So even if they don't have teeth, you can start by doing simple things, just wiping their mouth with a face cloth, paying attention to what they're eating and drinking. We want to make sure that they're actually drinking water at night as opposed to milk or juice, that's going to be constant sugar in contact with the teeth. When you start to see even the first tooth, you can begin to use a small size toothbrush for children, just with a little water to start kind of cleaning in the area. This just gets the kids used to, obviously brushing and maintaining, regular oral health.
Once those permanent teeth do begin to surface, you'll want to protect the area to prevent decay and infection later on.
So if you're not taking care of the permanent teeth and the decay gets to a point of an infection, that can affect the permanent teeth coming in. If there's an infection in place at the tip of the root of the baby teeth, that's going to affect the development of the permanent tooth below. We see a lot of decalcification, the enamel not forming properly, so it's really important to make sure we're maintaining these.
Setting an example, proper care, taking precautionary measures, and nutrition, the cornerstones of dental care for children of all ages.
So it's very important to set a good example for your kids, be kind of the one who's showing them that it's fun and it's important to make sure you're brushing every day, starting to introduce flossing. Nutrition is a huge part of it. As I said, not too much juice and milk in between meal times. Try to maybe stick with that only at a meal time, for example. Get them drinking water in between. Tap water is important as well because most places are containing fluoride, which, as we all know, helps to fight cavities. If they're playing sports, wanting them to wear a mouth guard, those types of things. Sealants are important as well. When they start to get their adult teeth, we want to place sealants on these teeth that have deeper grooves, which is kind of just a coating that's going to stop the plaque and bacteria from sitting in those grooves and developing cavities.
Great advice as always. For more tips from our friends at South Coast and Perfect Smiles, visit WPRI.com/The Roadshow.